Hello children, today we are going to start the second chapter of the supplementary reading, The Dream. So, what is the lesson name? The Dream. So, who found that dream and what was that dream? Let's find out. Once there was an old woman. She was an intelligent woman. She used her intelligence only to do good to others all her life. So once there was an old woman. Though she was old, she was very intelligent, and this was her good quality, and she used her intelligence only to do good to others in her life. So she used her intelligence to do good for others, to help others. So that was her extraordinary quality. One night, after a hard day, she fell asleep and had a strange dream. She dreamt that she died in her bed. So what happened one night? As she fell asleep, she found one dream. So what happened in her dream? She died. She died in her bed. So after she is dead, the dream continues. Okay, the dream continued. Let's find out the dream. Now from where she was standing, she could see at a distance two ornamental gates with arches. So what happened? In that dream, at some far distance, she could see two gates. Okay, she could see some two ornamental gates like this. Okay, at some distance, and with arches. So see, these bent portions or the curved portions are called arches. So both gates are same. From this you can see that both gates are same. And ornamental gates means decorated gates. So she could see some two decorated gates which were similar to each other. So at some distance she could see two gates with arches. They looked alike. Alike means similar. Alike means similar. So they looked similar, and see, here you can see that the two gates are exactly similar to each other. The arches bore welcome signs. Two men guarded the gates, one at each gate. They looked alike. She could see pathways beyond the gates. They too looked alike. She wanted to examine them closely. So what happened? These gates, see, here the arches, what they are conveying? They are conveying welcome signs. Both gates conveying welcome signs, and there are two guards near two gates, each at one gate. Even they looked similar. And even the pathways, okay, these roads to the gates also looked similar. So all were similar in features. So the arches bore welcome. Bore means convey. So what arches are conveying? Bore means convey. Okay, they are conveying welcome signs. So everything looked similar, and she wanted to examine them closely so that she could find any difference. As she walked towards the gates, a bodiless voice was heard. It said, "One of them is a liar," and fell silent. So as she was entering towards gates, she could hear one voice. Okay, but that voice was bodiless. It was not having any body. What was that voice? It said, "One of them is a liar." Okay, liar. Liar means what? One who tells lies. One who tells lies. Okay. So one who never speak truth. Okay, that is a liar. So who is one of them? Who is that one of them? Two guards were standing right in front of two gates. So one of them was a liar. Means that they are not telling the truth. After that it became silent. After that the voice was not heard. "Oh, why am I warned like this?" the woman exclaimed. "Why should one of them lie to me? What do I want from these guards?" So she was quite surprised, because She heard one voice now. So what was that voice? One of them was a liar. So she was simply puzzled. Why would they lie to me? Or what was the reason for that? What can I get from them? So she was quite surprised. It was then that she realized that she was thinking of heaven and was curious to know what it was like. So, as she was thinking that why they are telling lie to me and all that time she began to realize that she had reached heaven and wanted to know how was it. Okay, heaven means Swarga. So she wanted to know how was that heaven, how it looked like. So she was curious to know about heaven. She was eagerly waiting to know about heaven, which she wanted to enter. See, everyone wants to go to heaven, right, after they die. So this old woman also wanted to see and know about heaven. I think one of those pathways leads to heaven and the other to hell. Hell means Naraka. Heaven means Swarga and hell means Naraka. I will talk to those guards, she thought. Then she stopped. The warning came back to her. So, as she was standing outside the gate, she begins thinking that one gate must lead to heaven and the other must lead to hell. But how can she identify whether this is heaven or this is hell? She got that one gate must lead to heaven and the other gate must lead to hell. But there is a question mark. So which one is heaven and which one is hell? So she thought that she will clear this doubt by talking with guards. Then at that time again that warning came back to her. Which warning? That one of them is a liar. Same voice and same statement. Okay. Then she stood there and thought for a while she wondered how she could ferret out the truth from them. See, again she stopped there and started thinking that how can she find out the truth? Okay, because one cannot guess which is heaven and which is hell just by seeing it, because both of those gates looked similar, both guards looked similar. Okay, so it was difficult for her to guess which one is heaven and which one is hell's. So she wondered how she could ferret out the truth. Ferret out the truth means find out the truth. Okay, ferret, to find out. The chances of being told the truth seems 50-50, she thought. So, whether the statement or whatever the statement or whatever the fact that she heard, so the chances of that being truth is 50%. She can't believe another 50% because that could be a lie. So, that was 50-50% that whether this warning is real or not. But she was an intelligent woman. She thought she should frame her question well, and she did frame her question well. So, before entering those two gates, okay, as she wanted to enter the heaven, before entering the heaven, she wanted to ask some questions to the two guards who were standing outside the gate. So, whatever question she asked, that should be perfect. And by knowing and by getting answer from those guards, she will decide about the heaven and hell. So, it is completely depending on her question. So, she should frame her question well, and she framed her question well because she was an intelligent woman. So what was her question to that guard? She asked the first man she met, "Sir, please tell me what would that other guard say if I asked him which is heaven's gate?" Okay, one more time, just see this question. She asked, "Sir, please tell me what would that other guard say if I asked him which is heaven's gate?" To which guard replied. The guard smiled and pointing to his gate, he said, Madam, he would show you my gate. Okay, madam, he would show you my gate. So what was her question? She asked this man that, first man that, what would this guy tell if I ask him which is the heaven's gate? So this man told that this man will show you my gate. Okay, this man will show you my gate. So indirectly he was calling to his gate to enter. Okay, so this man told that this man will show you my gate. My gate is to heaven. So indirectly he was calling to his gate to enter. So immediately she realized that he is telling lie, because he was himself calling her to his gate to enter. So she realized that this man is not telling truth. She could understand that this man is liar. Okay. The woman now knew for sure that his gate was not the gate to heaven. She walked to the other gate. The guard there greeted her and let her in. She enjoyed her long walk to heaven and reached heaven. Okay, then this old woman, see, at first she went here and she asked him, so it was, what would this guy tell if I ask him what was the heaven's gate? To which he replied that he will show you my gate. Then again she got that this man is the liar, and then she returned back and she went to this gate and she understood that this is the gate to heaven. This man greeted her. Okay, greeted her means to welcome. Okay, he welcomed her in a friendly manner. Greet means to welcome in a friendly manner. Okay, then she enjoyed her walk towards heaven. Okay, at this point the woman's dream ended. She woke up and sat in her bed. What a dream, she chuckled. Was that man I talked to the liar or the truthful person? So after getting up from her bed, she had doubt that whether she had entered the heaven or not. Okay, but I don't know. But I made sure what he was telling me was not the truth. The truthful man would only report to me the liar's exact words, and the liar would twist the truthful man's words. So this is the truth. Now a strange thought came to her mind. My dream had a puzzle in it. Should I share my dream with my class 7 students? She chuckled again. See, here comes one word, chuckled. Okay, chuckled means to laugh quietly. Okay, chuckled means to laugh quietly. So now one thought came across her mind that whether I should share my dream with class 7 students, because she found one dream, so it was very puzzle kind, right? And she has shared her dream to you very interestingly. Okay, she lay down and went back to sleep. She died that night peacefully in her sleep. So she died peacefully in her sleep that night. So that was her last night of her life. So this is about the lesson, the dream. It is quite a puzzle. Try to understand it. If you understand it, it will be quite interesting to you. Okay, so try to understand the lesson and do this exercise, complete this exercise. Thank you.